Nick Bradley here, On Point Golf Ambassador. On Point markers, they're not markers, they're equipment. But I'm here specifically to address why so many of you amateurs always miss the putt on the low side. Why is it that PGA Tour players miss the putts on the high side and you guys always miss it on the low side? Well, I'm going to tell you, it's all about your green reading. So I want you to think about this. Number one, when you're reading your putts, always start with the end in mind. What does that mean? Well, I know because of this slope here, the ball is going to fall into some part of the cup here, right? That's the first thing I'm going to do, is figure out where it's going to enter. So I'm going to put a T marker down where I think that ball's going to enter at that speed. That's the key thing. Start with the end in mind. Don't start from here. Start from where the ball is going to fall in. Now, once you've ascertained where the ball is going to fall in, now you can put the next tee down, which is the apex of the putt, the highest part of the putt, which is going to be about here. Now, I think a lot of you actually do this already, but here's the thing. If I'm going to hit the apex of the putt, I'm actually going to have to aim slightly higher than it, right? So I'm going to put another tee down here. Because remember, this ball is on a journey. It's on a journey with a curve. So a little bit like throwing a dart, we don't throw the dart in a straight line, we have it arcing in the air. It's the same with these putts. I've got to hit my apex, but I've got to aim higher than the apex for it to hit the apex. Here we go. So I've started with the end in mind. Where's it going to fall in? I've got my high point, the apex, and my starting point. Now, with On Point Golf markers, I can now aim this so easily with this marker because it's got an elliptical aspect to it, and then the ball line can go down. So this marker makes it so easy now to start holing these 12-foot putts more than any other time before in golf. Take this away, and now let's see how my green reading was. Oh, that's a pretty good attempt. So, to wrap up, always start with the end in mind. Where is the ball going to fall in? Then you can find your apex. Remember, you've got to aim higher than the apex from your starting point. But all of that, I'm going to tell you, is made a lot easier with the On Point ball marker, because once that line goes down, you can then set the ball down and aim to these targets. 12-foot putts and in is all about targeting, and this makes it happen a lot easier. OnPointGolf.us, go and order yours now. Your putting will never be the same.